So if the system of linear equations x plus y plus z equal to 5, x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 6, x plus 3y plus lambda z is equal to mu, where lambda comma mu belong to R has infinitely many solutions, then the value of lambda plus mu is okay. So here they given infinitely many solutions here. So therefore system has infinitely many solutions, then obviously delta is 0, delta 1 is 0, delta 2 0, delta 3 also 0. Therefore I am taking delta is equal to 0. So delta is equal to 0 implies a determinant of, so right here 1, 1 and 1, right, coefficients here 1, 1 and 1 here, and here coefficients are 1, 2 and 2 here, then the coefficients are 1, 3 lambda, that is equal to 0. Now we will expand it here, then find the value of lambda. Therefore you can make these two terms zeros here. Hence R2 gives here R2 minus of R1, and R3 gives R3 minus of R1 here. Therefore this implies a determinant of, so 1 and 1 right as it is, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 here, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 3 minus 1 gives 2, lambda minus 1, lambda minus of 1, that is equal to 0. Now we will expand it here, therefore this implies so 1 into lambda minus 1 is lambda minus 1 here, minus of 2 ones are 2. Then minus 1 into 0 to this is 0, 0 to 1 is 0, the next term is 0. 1 into 0 to this is 0, 0 to 1 is also 0. Therefore write only this equal to 0. Minus 1, minus 2 gives a minus 3, take a minus 3 right hand side here. Therefore lambda value plus 3 here. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Hence lambda value is 3 here. Okay. So similarly, even the delta 3 also 0 when it is infinitely many solution here. Therefore here I am taking delta 3 here. Delta 3 is equal to 0. Just replace this third column. Third column by these elements here 5, then 6 and mu here. Okay. Even you can take a delta 1 equal to 0. Even delta 2 also 0. I am taking delta 3 is equal to 0. Therefore replace third column by 5, 6 and mu here. Now you expand just like a previous result here. Again subtracting each other. Here 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1 here, 6 minus 5 gives 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, mu minus 5 here. It gives mu minus 5 here. Again expand it here. Therefore this implies 1 into bracket 1 into mu minus 5 is mu minus of 5. 2 ones are 2 here. That is equal to 0. The next two term becomes 0 here. Minus 5, minus 2, minus 7. Take minus 7 right hand side here. Therefore mu is equal to plus 7 here. Therefore alpha is equal to 3 and mu is equal to lambda here. Not alpha, lambda. Lambda plus mu here. Here lambda value is 3 here. And mu value is 7. Therefore the answer is 10 here. So therefore C is the answer here. Here we want lambda plus mu here. Therefore lambda plus mu is equal to 10 here. So lambda be a real number for which the system of linear equations, three equations are there, has infinitely many solutions here. Then the lambda is a root of the quadratic equation. Again it has infinitely many solutions. Then obviously delta is equal to 0 here. Yes, delta is equal to 0 implies therefore determinant of 1 and 1 here, 4 lambda minus lambda. So 4 lambda minus of lambda, then write here 3 2 minus of 4, that is equal to 0. You just write a coefficients here. Okay. So therefore expand the determinant here. So 1 into lambda into minus 4 is minus of 4 lambda, minus lambda into 2 minus 2 lambda here, minus minus plus 2 lambda, minus of 1, then 4 into 4 16 here, minus of 16 minus of minus lambda into 3 minus 3 lambda, minus minus plus 3 lambda here, then plus 1, 4 2s are 8, minus of 3 into lambda becomes 3 lambda, that is equal to 0 here. So minus 4 lambda plus 2 lambda gives minus of 2 lambda here. Minus into minus becomes a plus, so plus 16 here. Minus into plus minus of 3 lambda. 1 into 8 becomes 8, plus 8 minus of 3 lambda, that is equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 lambda, minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 lambda here. Therefore minus of 8 lambda here. Then 16 plus 8 24. Take 24 right hand side here. So minus of 24. Therefore minus 24 divided by minus 8 gives plus 3 here. Therefore lambda is equal to 3. The value of lambda is 3 here. Now you will use lambda value 3 in these equations here. So just go on and check one by one here, taking options here. So if you substitute lambda value 3 here in the first option, so 3 square minus of 3 into 3 here, then minus of 4 here. If you simplify, you will not get a 0. So first option is wrong here. So if you take the second option here, again I put a lambda value 3 here. So 3 square 3 into 3 plus 3 into 3 minus of 4. Again this is not equal to 0 here. Second option is also wrong here. If we take a third option here, so 3 square minus of 3 minus of 6 here, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 plus 9 get cancels here. Therefore this is equal to 0. So C means the third option is correct here. Even you can check here. So fourth option here, then 3 square plus 3 minus 6 not equal to 0. Even fourth option also wrong here. Third option satisfying, the value lambda equal to 3. The system of linear equations here, x plus y plus z equal to 2, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus alpha square minus 1 into z equal to alpha plus 1 has infinitely many solutions for alpha is equal to 4, is inconsistent when alpha is equal to 4, has a unique solution for modulus of alpha is equal to root 3, is inconsistent when modulus of alpha is equal to root of 3. First take care of delta here. So delta is equal to determinant of 1, 1 and 1 here. So write coefficients 1, 1 and 1. 2, 3, 2. So 2, 3 and 2 here. Then 2, 3 alpha square minus 1 here. So 2, 3. So alpha square minus of 1 here. Next, make these two terms as zeros here. Therefore, C2 gives here C2 minus C1, and C3 gives C3 minus C1 here. Therefore, this equal to determinant of 1, 2 and 2 keep as it is here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 3 minus 2 gives 1. 3 minus 2 gives 1 here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Alpha square minus 1 minus 2 here. Minus 1 minus 2 gives minus of 3 here. So alpha square minus of 3 here. Therefore, these three terms are zeros here. Corner points are zeros. Therefore, its value is multiplication of diagonal elements here. Value of this determinant is 1 into alpha square minus 3 gives alpha square minus of 3. So delta is equal to alpha square minus 3. Therefore, I am writing here alpha square minus of 3 here. Take the number 1 here. Next, I take a delta 1 here. Delta 1 means replace this first column by 2, 5 and alpha plus 1 here. So replace here first column by, so 2, 5 alpha plus 1, 2, 5 and alpha plus 1 here. Okay. Now make this term is 0, even this also 0 here. Therefore, in this case, so divide here by 2, then subtract here, then this becomes 0. So C2 gives here C2 minus of C1 upon 2. Then subtracting these two here, so C3 gives here C3 minus C2. Therefore, this implies the determinant of 2, 5 and alpha plus 1 here. Here divided by 2, then remaining here 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. This is 0. Then multiply by dividing by 2 here and subtract here. So 3 minus of 5 divided by 2 here. 2 is 6. 6 minus 5 divided by 2 gives 1 upon 2. So it is 1 divided by 10. Then 3 minus, so 3 minus of alpha plus 1 upon 2 here. Alpha plus 1 divided by 2. Divide here by 2 and subtract here. Hence 3 minus of alpha plus 1 divided by 2 here. Therefore 2 LCM here. 2 is 6 minus of alpha and minus 1 here. Therefore 6 minus 5, 1 becomes 5. 5 minus alpha divided by 2 here. So it gives 5 minus alpha divided by 2 here. Okay. Then here C3 minus C2 means 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 2 minus 3 is minus of 1 here. Then this minus this here. Minus 1 minus 3 gives minus 4. So alpha square minus of 4 here. Alpha square minus 4. Okay. Now you expand the determinant here. Okay. So expand the determinant. It gives so 2 into this into this here. 1 upon 2 into bracket alpha square minus of 4 minus of minus 1 into this here. Minus and this minus becomes a plus. 5 minus alpha upon 2 here. So 5 minus alpha divided by 2. And here next two terms are zeros here. So keep as it is here. Therefore this is equal to, we can take 1 by 2 common here. So 2 divided by 2 into bracket alpha square minus 4. Alpha square minus 4. Then a plus of 5 minus of alpha here. Then this 2 and this 2 get cancels here. So alpha square, then minus of alpha, 5 minus 4 gives 1 here. So plus 1, yes, delta 1 is equal to, so delta 1 is alpha square minus of alpha here plus 1 here. Take equation number 2 here. So there are 4 options here. First option has infinitely many solutions for alpha equal to 4. Second option is inconsistent when alpha is equal to 4 here. Now try for alpha equal to 4 here, substitute in the equation 1 here. When alpha is equal to 4, so use here. So delta is equal to 4 square minus of 3 here. So 4 square is 16 here, minus 3 gives 13. Obviously this is not equal to 0. When alpha is equal to 4, delta is not equal to 0. If delta is not equal to 0, then the system is consistent and has a unique solution here. When delta is not equal to 0, it is a consistent and unique solution. Therefore, here the second option is wrong here. Because when alpha is equal to 4, delta is not equal to 0, it has a unique solution. But here option is infinitely many solutions. First option is wrong. And in the second case, it is inconsistent, but it is a consistent here. And delta is not equal to 0, so second option is also wrong here. Now try it for modulus alpha is equal to root 3 here. Then modulus alpha is equal to root of 3. So use here. So delta is equal to root 3, it's a square, minus 3 is equal to 0. Hence delta becomes 0. And delta 1, so use here root 3 square here, minus of root of 3 plus 1, obviously it is not equal to 0. Here delta is equal to 0. Delta 1 not equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0, and here in the third case here, at least one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is non-zero, then it is inconsistent and no solution here. Therefore, in these cases here, it is a unique solution. Option is wrong here, because delta is equal to 0 is there. If delta is equal to 0, either this is possible or this is possible here. But here unique solution when it is possible, when delta is not equal to 0. But here delta is 0 is there. So third option is wrong. And the fourth option is inconsistent here. Obviously it is inconsistent because the delta 1 is not equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0, delta 1 not equal to 0. And so fourth option is correct. So here the system of linear equations is consistent, then which one is the correct option here? If it is a consistent here and here, two cases are there. Therefore, in the first case delta is not equal to 0, second case delta is equal to 0 here. Just check here whether delta is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. So delta is equal to determinant of 1 minus of 4 plus 7 here. Then write here 3 minus 5 and there is no x term here, so it is a 0 here. Because there is no x term, so 0, 3 and minus of 5 here. Then minus 2, 5 and minus of 9 here. So expand it here. 1 into 9 is 27. Minus 27 minus of 5 5 is 25. Minus 25 minus plus 25. Minus of minus becomes a plus 4. Then 0 to minus 9 is a 0. Minus of minus into minus plus here 0.2 are 10 here. It becomes a 10. Then 7 plus 7 into 0 to 5 becomes a 0. Minus of 3 2s are 6 here. Minus 6 minus plus 6 here. Therefore, minus 27 plus 25 gives minus of 2 here. minus of 10 fours of 40 and 7 6 of 42 plus 42 here. Minus 42 and plus 42 becomes a 0. Yes, delta is equal to 0. So here delta is equal to 0 and is consistent. Then obviously delta 1 is 0, delta 2 is 0 and delta 3 also 0. Okay, therefore the system is consistent here. Okay, therefore system is consistent and delta 1 is equal to delta 2 is equal to delta 3 is equal to 0. This one satisfying here. Now take delta 1 equal to 0. Delta 1 is equal to 0 implies determinant of. Replace this first column by G, H and K. So write as G, H and K. Remaining two columns keep as it is here. Minus 4, 3 and 5. Then 7 minus 5 minus of 9 is equal to 0 implies. Then expand it here. So G into 9 3s are 27 here. Minus of 27 minus of 5 5s are 25 minus plus minus minus plus here plus 25. Minus of minus becomes a plus 4. Then h into minus 9 minus 9h here. Minus 9h minus 5 to k minus 5k minus minus plus 5k. Then plus here 7 into, so 7 into bracket h into 5, so 5h and 3 into k becomes 3k minus of 3k, that is equal to 0. Therefore this implies so G into minus 27 minus of 27 GL, G into 25 plus 25 G. Then 9 4s are 36 here. Minus of 36H. 5 4s are 20 plus 20K. 7 5s are 35. So 35H. 7 3s are 21 minus of 21K, that is equal to 0. So here minus of 27G plus 25Z, it is minus of 2G here, minus 2G. Even directly can subtract here, minus 27 plus 25 minus 2, minus 2G here. Then minus 36H plus 35H, it is minus of H here. 20K minus 21K minus of K, that equal to 0. So multiplying both sides by minus 1 here, it gives 2G plus H plus K is equal to 0. So first option is correct. 2G plus H plus K is equal to 0.